The wealthy are often thought of as elite, mysterious, and untouchable. They may know things that average people do not, and that's why they're rich. But the truth is that anyone can learn their secrets. In this video, we will make it easy for you and reveal the 5 secrets the rich use to create wealth. Start the year on the right foot, because now is the time to build wealth from scratch. Let's begin. Secret number 1. Rich people work smarter, not harder. The rich know that money can be used to generate more money, so they work smarter and focus their efforts on the most profitable activities that they can think of. Instead of working hard for money, letting it sit in a savings account and getting no return. One secret the rich do is invest their money in a variety of ways. This includes stocks, ETFs, index funds, bonds, REITs, money market accounts, retirement accounts, and many more. This way, they reap the benefit of compounded interest, while not having to work as hard to earn the same amount each and every time. If you're the type who works hard and smart, another secret the rich do is leverage credit and start a business and ditch that 9-to-5 job they initially rely on. You don't have to wait and save every dollar to reach your goal. By investing and tapping into available credit opportunities, the rich are much closer to their dreams than the average person. But as both your earnings and savings grow, you should be wary of the costs that may be deducted from your returns. And that's number 2 on our list. Secret number 2. They don't let taxes, fees, or other small costs eat at their return.